Right now, the energy sentiment is trending at plus 0.23, but what's really striking is the momentum at plus 1.45. This is a notable surge compared to our historical baseline. This spike suggests a sudden shift in sentiment that could indicate underlying changes in energy perceptions or upcoming market shifts. Our API returns a comprehensive overview of sentiment, including 18 distinct semantic clusters that reveal how specific aspects of energy are being discussed. You can leverage this data to identify emerging trends, refine your trading strategies, or enhance your risk assessment models. For example, imagine developing a tool that alerts you when momentum crosses a certain threshold, allowing you to capitalize on these shifts before others catch on. Dive deeper into the insights at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Your next breakthrough in energy sentiment analysis starts here.